Hello students, today I am going to teach you 9th maths. My name is Ashraf. As we will going to explain the linear equations in two variables. As we explained in the first video, application and theory. Now we will explain in this solve sums, class test and assignment also available on the request. If you want to do assignment, then you will send a request. I will uh, provide you. Now we're going to solve the sums. Now solve sums are here as solve sum 1. Write the following equation in the standard form and find the values of A, B and C. As first one is 3x minus y equal to x minus 1. Next one x by 2 minus y by 3 equal to 1 by 6 plus y. And as we going to solve it, first one is 3x minus y equal to x minus 1. So we will transpose it to the left side and change the sign. 3x minus y plus x equal to 0, as we have changed the sign also. And 3x minus x, it is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Comparing equation 1 from equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get here as coefficient of x is a, coefficient of x is 2, so therefore x equal to 2. And the next term, coefficient of y is b, here by coefficient of y is minus 1, therefore b equal to minus 1. Constant is c, and here constant is 1, therefore c equal to 1. As therefore we have found out the values of a, b and c. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1. So we have written an answer a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1. Now we are going to solve the next one. X by 2 minus y by 3 equal to 1 by 6 plus y. We have as we have written here x by 2 minus y by 3 equal to 1 by 6 plus y. So first we simplify it and we transpose the y to the left side and change the sign, and we have taken LCM of 2 and 3, it is 6, as 2 3 is 6, 3 then 3 into x, 3x, 3 2 is 6, then 2 into y, it is minus 2y, and when we divide here by 1, it will be 6, then it will be minus 6y equal to 1 by 6. Now we are seeing in the denominator both sides, it is 6, then we can cancel 6 and 6. So we have written here 3x and minus 2y minus 6y, it is minus 8y. 3x minus 8y minus 1 equal to 0, and it is equation 1. Or comparing equation 1 from ax plus by plus c equal to 0, as now we are comparing. So coefficient of x is a and coefficient of x is 3, therefore value of a is 3. Coefficient of the next term y is b, here coefficient of y is minus 8, b equal to minus 8. Constant is c, here constant is minus 1, therefore value of c equal to minus 1. Thus we get x equal to 3, b equal to minus 8, c equal to minus 1. As we have written in answer, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 8, c equal to minus 1. Have you understood? These sums are very simple. First we arrange the given equation in standard form and compare with the standard form linear equation. Standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first we arrange in this form and compare with this, and such way we can find the values of A, B and C. Now we going to the next. Solve sum 2. Verify that which of the following are the solution of equation 5x minus 4 by equal to 20. As solutions are given, if these are solution of this one, as 4 comma 0, 0 comma 5, 4 comma 0. First we write the equation as 5x minus 4 by equal to 20, and first point is as 4 comma 0, so we will put the value of x is 4 and y equal to 0 in equation. So we have written here at the place of x it is 4, at the place of y it is 0. 5 into 4 minus 4 into 0 equal to 20, as 5 4 is 20, 4 into 0 it is 0 and equal to 20. Now we are seeing 20 equal to 20, left hand side equal to right hand side. Here 4 comma 0 is a solution of given equation. As we explained already, if the given values are satisfying to the equation, then these values are the solution of the given equation. Now we using the next 0 comma 5, as we have 5x minus 4 by equal to 20, putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 5 in the given equation. Equation is 5x minus 4 by equal to 20, as 5 into 0, because value of x is 0, minus 4 by minus 4 into 5, 5 4 is 20. Here we are seeing the value of left hand side is minus 20 and right side is 20. Minus 20 is not equal to 20, or we can write left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so it is not satisfying the given equation. Therefore 0 comma 5 is not a solution of the given equation. So here we cleared, if value is satisfied to the equation, then it is a solution. If value is not satisfying the equation, then it is not solution. Now we going to solve the next. Solve sum 3. If x equal to 3k plus 2, y equal to 2k minus 1 is a solution of 4x minus 3y plus 1, find the value of k. As values of x and y are given, x equal to 3k plus 2, y equal to 2k minus 1, and equation is given also 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will put the values of x and y in the given equation 1. So first we write the equation 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and put the value of x at place of x, value of y at place of y. As we have done here, 4 into value of x is 3k plus 2 minus 3, value of y is 2k minus 1 and plus 1. Now we simplify it. 4 3 is 12, 4 plus 4 2 is 8, minus 3 2 is 6, and minus minus plus 3 1 is 3 and plus 1. Now we will going to the next step. 12k minus 6k plus 8 plus 3 plus 1. Now we are seeing 12 minus 6 it is 6k plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 it is 12. 6k plus 12 equal to 0, or 6k equal to minus 12. As we have transposed 12 to the right side and change the sign, now we want to find the value of x, so we will divide both sides by 6. So we have divided here. Here k equal to minus 12 by 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. The value of k is minus 2. Now we have found that k equal to minus 2. As we have written in answer, k equal to minus 2. It is also very simple method as we are seeing in the question. As we feel it is difficult, but it is not difficult. It is very simple, but we will work as it is explained, and we should be careful and practice such types of other sums. It and you will be better and better if you practice it only. Now we going to the next. Solve sum 4. Draw the graph of equation 2x plus y equal to 6. Find the coordinates of the point where the graph cuts the x-axis. We have 2x plus y equal to 6 or y equal to 6 minus 2x. Y equal to 6 minus 2x. Now we put the value of x equal to 1 in equation 1. So y equal to 6 into 6 minus 2 into x, or 6 minus 2 into 1, or 6 2 1 ja 2, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Here we are getting value of y is 4. Now get next, putting x equal to 2 in equation 1, as we have written here equation 1, y equal to 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2 into 2, 6 2 into 2 it is 4, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. We have found the value of y, it is 2. Now next, putting x equal to 3 in equation 1, y equal to 6 minus 2x, as 6 minus 2 into 3, then 6 minus 6 it is 0. So we have found the points, 3 points, where at value of x equal to 1, a value of y is 4, value of x when it is 2, then value of y is 2, when value of x is 3, then value of y is 0. Now we have find the points 1 comma 1, 1 comma 4, sorry, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 0. Now it is, we want to find the values of, then we will draw the graph in the next and find the value. Now going to the next, it is continued x, and we have copied here, we have written the table again because we want to draw the graph. So we have written here points are same as we have marked on the graph paper at it a y-axis and it is the x-axis, as point is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 0. And after that we will join these points with the help of a scale, and we are seeing here where the line is intersecting the x-axis, that point is 3 comma 0. The point where the graph cuts to the x-axis is 3 comma 0. It is also very simple. If it not intersect the axis, then we extend it and increase it, and it should be intersect the x-axis. Now we going to the next. It is completed here. Solve sum 5. Draw the graph of equation 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, and find the coordinates, the point where the two graphs line intersects. We, as we have 3x minus 2y equal to 4, 3x minus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to 3x minus 4, as we have transposed and then the change the sign also, y equal to 3x minus 4 by 2, putting x equal to 0 in the given equation. So we have put here, as equation is y equal to 3x minus 4 by 2, So it is written as 3 into 0 minus 4 by 2. It is 3 into 0, it is 0. Then minus 4 by 2. 2 2 is 4. The value of y is minus 2. Putting x equal to 2 in equation A, as we know, equation is y equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. At the place of 2, we have written here 2. 3 into 2 minus 4 by 2. As 6 minus 4 by 2, it is 2 by 2. 2 1 is 2. The value of y is 1. Now we going to the next. Putting x equal to 4 in equation A, as y equal to 3 into 4 minus 4 by 2. Then 4 into 3, it is 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 4 by 2. Now 12 minus 4, we are getting here 8. 4 2 is 8. The value of y is 2. Now we going to solve the next equation. It is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, or as we have written here, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, or y equal to 3 minus x. It is equation B. Putting x equal to 1 in equation B, as we have put here, y equal to 3 minus 1, it is 2, or y equal to 2. Putting x equal to 2 in equation B, y equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So value of y is 1. Putting x equal to 3 in equation B, when we put the value of x is 3, then 3 minus 3, it is 0. The value of y is 0. So we make the table for first equation and for the second equation separately and draw the graph as we going to solve the next, because it is not completed here. As we have make the table first, it is 0 comma minus 2, 2 comma 1, 4 comma 4. We have marked here for the first equation. For the next, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, and 3 comma 0. Now we plot the points from the first equation. First we have plotted here. It is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 is here. Then 2 comma 1 is this, and 4 comma 4. Then join and draw a line with the help of a scale. And now next, it is 1 comma 2. Now 2 comma 1. Then we are seeing here it is on the x-axis 3 comma 0, because y is not, y is only 0 here. Now we are seeing these points are intersecting at 2 comma 1. As we are seeing on the x-axis, it is 1, it is 2, the value of x is 2, and when we draw the, and we are seeing where they draw the perpendicular and draw from intersecting point perpendicular on the y-axis, we are getting here 1. So intersecting point is 2 comma 1. As we written here, the intersecting point is 2 comma 1. This way we can find the intersecting points of two linear graphs where they intersect, that is the intersecting point. Now we going to the next. Solve sum 6. Draw the graph of the line x minus y equal to 1, 2x plus y equal to 8. Find the intersecting point where we have as equation 1 and 2. So first we solve for first, then for second. As we have here x minus y equal to 1, therefore y equal to x minus 1. It is equation A. Putting x equal to 1, as y equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. It means at the x equal to 1, the value of y is 0. Putting x equal to 2 in equation A, as we know equation A, y equal to x minus 1, then y equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1. Putting x equal to 3 in equation A, the y equal to x minus 1, the y equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Such way we have found the values of x and y. From now going to solve the next equation. 2x plus y equal to 8 or y equal to 8 minus 2x. Now putting the value of x equal to 2. So we have written here equation B, y equal to 8 minus 2x or y equal to 8 minus 2 into 2 or y equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Putting x equal to 3 in equation B, as equation B is y equal to 8 minus 2x at 8 minus 2 into 3, y equal to 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 it is 2, the value of y is 2. Now putting the x equal to 1 in equation B, as y equal to 8 minus 2x, y equal to 8 minus 2 into 1 or y equal to 8 minus 2, it is 6. Thus we have finded, or we can say solved the both equations and finded the values of x and y. After that we will make the tables and then we draw the graph. So we going to the next. First we make the tables. As we have made the tables for A and for B. At x equal to 1, then y equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 1, x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Then points are 1 comma 2, 1 comma 0, sorry, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Now for the next, the value of x, then y is 4, value of x is 3, then y is 2, value of x is 1, then y equal to 6. The points are 2 comma 4, 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 6. Here we are seeing first we draw, plot the first points, then we next points as 1 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Now from the next it is 2 comma 4, it is 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. Now we are seeing here the intersecting points are 3 comma 2. Here should be 1 comma 6. Here it is not written correctly. It is typing mistake. Here should be 1 comma 6 as we have found it here 1 comma 6. Only typing mistake but marking is correct. Now we going to the next and the intersecting point is 3 comma 2 as we give to you now class test. The class test is here. Pause the video here and solve the test. First you complete the all sums before the leaving the class. It is compulsory for you. Then after solving the all the questions, you can match your answer because answer key is also available, but not in the middle as questions are 6. So you will complete all the sums in the classroom. After completing, you can match your answers, and if you need, then you can ask the assignment also. Assignment is here. Assignment is available on request. Send email at ashokrajpur6420@gmail.com. So thank now you will get the assignment. Thanks you for watching. Thank you for watching video.